Hi, this is Tami Bonnell, CEO for EXIT Realty Corp International. I just wanted to share a few things from my perspective. Part of my job is to be a good forecaster for our company, and I wanted to share a few things from my perspective on the next decade, being prepared for it. Number one, I think accurate market knowledge is so important. You have to be more educated than the consumer. The consumer has a tremendous amount of data. They just don't know how it impacts them. Having a 30,000-foot view, a 2,000-foot view, a street-level view, and then having a perspective on yourself and on who you deal with as consumers. What are their priorities? What's really important to them? We will always have competitors. I believe over the next decade that we will have fewer real estate professionals, but the professionals that are here are going to have to be high-tech and high-touch. Being able to communicate and on a personal level, being able to find out what is really important to the person in front of you and being able to deliver. That being said, I think you'll be able to do multiples of transactions by doing that, just by being prepared and giving them what they're looking for. It is the experience economy. They want you to be experienced, but they want you to give them a terrific experience. Find some people that work on the business, not in it. One of my best tips probably for the next decade, pay attention to municipalities and planning boards because there's going to be an awful lot of zoning law changes and some changes in the industry that you're going to want to be aware of. Pay attention to trends. That's where the 30,000-foot view comes in. The 2,000 and the street level view, everything tied to your local board. Everything that's going on in your community, any changes that are going on that might impact your consumer. Then understanding who your consumer is. Is it primarily investors? And then making it as personal as possible. And I don't mean with recipes. I mean really connecting with that human being about really what's important to their life and their future. If you do that, I'm certain you'll excel.